I am Miguel F. Suarez and I'm from BSCPE 3A. So right now I'm going to discuss the packet switching datagram. So the next slide we have the what is datagram approach. So it is a packet switching method where each packet, the datagram, is created independently. And the network is connectionless, so meaning there is no pre-established path or connection between the sender and the receiver. So each packet contains full address information, which is the source and the destinations. And we have next the what is packet switching? It is a network communication method that groups all the transmitted data into a blocks that called packets. So next we have instead of uh, reserving a dedicated line, the network links are shared among the users. So next we have the two main approaches. So the datagram approaches, which is means the connectionless, and virtual circuit approach, which means the oriented, connection oriented. So next slide we have the advantage of the datagram approach. Here we have the robustness and resilience. The network can adapt to link failures by simply routing the packets around the congestive or failure links. So next we have the flexibility. The routers can distribute traffic dynamically to avoid the bottlenecks. So next we have the disadvantage of the datagram approach. We have here the potential of the packet loss. So there is no built-in mechanism to guarantee delivery and packets can be lost in transit. So next we have the transit challenge. So the destination host must reorder the packets, which adds complexity. So next we have the datagram visual circuit comparison. So here, as you can see, we have the features, which is connection type. From the datagram, we have the connectionless visual circuit have connection oriented. And for the path, we have the for the datagram, we have the independent for each packet. And for virtual circuit approach, we have the fixed pre-established. So next we have the call setup. So from here, the datagram not required. So from the virtual circuit approach, required before the data transferred. So next, the routing dynamic per packet, and from the next is fixed predetermined. So from here, overhead, high per packet and low per packet. So you can see the difference between the um, datagram packet and virtual circuit. So here we have the reliability, less reliable, out of order, possible, and from the virtual circuit, more reliable in order, guaranteed. And next and lastly, we have the resilience, very resilient to leak failures, and from the circuit, less resilient to failures along the path. So that's all my explanation from this PPT. So thank you. That's all.